What's wrong with this picture? Oh, it's the wrong kid. What's he doing in the walker? Jack, what are you doing?
I'm in the walker.
Oh, are you trying to show Ben how fun it is to walk in there?
No, I just want to enjoy my time.
Well, if you're in there, where's Ben?
He's over in his high tail crying like a crying baby.
Peekaboo! Who's over there? Are you watching your brother walk around in the walker? Who's in there? Are you watching Jack? Is that making you laugh? Here he comes. Look at how good Jack can walk in there. Good boy, Jack. Jack's a good boy. Yay. Can you do it? No? Can you walk in the walker, Ben? No? You're not a good boy in the walker? No? Why don't you want to go in the walker? You're silly. How big is Ben? Are you that big? Let me see that tongue again. Let me see your tongue. Let me see your tongue. Oh, that was a quick one. Let me see again. There it is. Here it comes. Okay. Okay. Now it's Ben's turn to try.